So first you go to the area that says create a design over here, and you're going to go to Instagram story if that's what you if we did it the vertical way, or you can go to mobile video if you do it in your phone, vertically. If you have done it the other way, horizontally, you can go to just video. But I'm going to go to Instagram story, and you upload your video just like you usually do. Just drag it over and it'll upload. In the meantime, you can pull this up and get the edges together, right? So this is an 18-second long video. As soon as it gets uploaded, you're going to hit edit video like this and background remover. I think you have to have it uploaded all the way first. Now hit background remover, and then that's going to take this amount of time here. And here it is all the way when it's finished, 100%. So now, as soon as it gives us the go-ahead, it's processing down here. But you can see it took the background out. There we go. Now we can watch it.
I know what his favorite.
And that wasn't even.
So I got another idea.
So this wasn't even a plain background, so it's having trouble going between them. So if you do it on a plain background, it should work.